Hello friends, welcome to Trending Tube. I hope you all are doing great. We have another IKEA product today with us. Let's explore a game changer for your meal prep, a stackable lunch box which comes in light gray color. The innovative lunchbox features two compartments, a 0.2-liter box and a 0.6-liter box, perfect for keeping your dry fruits like pasta and salad separate and fresh. In case you need more space, the design allows you to build upwards with add-on units, customizing your storage to fit your needs. The lunchbox is made from durable polypropylene plastic, making it microwave safe, freezer safe, and dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Keep in mind it's not leak proof, so it's best suited for dry foods. All of this comes at an affordable price of just rupees 199, which approximately 2.27 USD dollar. Upgrade your meal prep with the stackable lunchbox from IKEA. I hope you like this video. Do like, comment and subscribe for more product like this.